Hey guys, good evening. So it's just a few hours after we did workshop week 2, and I wanted to record a video because I got a response in a survey that I wanted to address. Now, if you haven't watched week 2's video yet, pause this, watch that first, do your homework and stuff, right? And then watch this. This is not going to really make much sense to you, and I don't want you to get overwhelmed or something without understanding what you're overwhelmed about, okay? So seriously, pause this if you haven't watched week 2 yet. Come back to this video when you're done. So, of course, I send out the surveys after each class, and after this week's class, I received a survey result that explained that it was really overwhelming, this idea of sort of the task before her. One of the workshop attendees was feeling pretty overwhelmed that, wow, there's so much to be done, or there's so much to be fixed, or something like that. Okay, so I want to address that because this is such a great question or concern or whatever. And all right, what I have to say about this, and I usually say this in my private coaching consult calls where I'm like meeting somebody for the first time and then we decide whether or not we're going to coach together. This is an example that I always use to sort of explain how the coaching works and what we're going to be doing and what we will work on as we do this. I want you to imagine that you and I are standing in a room, a bedroom together. We're standing right by the door, and it's nighttime. The light is off. It's pitch black. Okay, so we're standing in this bedroom, and I walk over subtly and switch the light on. And you look at this bedroom and it is a complete mess. There's so much stuff everywhere, right? Like clothes piled up all over the place, dirty clothes, clean clothes, unfolded, wrinkly clothes. There's everything is out of order, disarray. There's papers everywhere. There's just tons and tons of junk everywhere. Knickknacks, so many different things in this room, just piled all over the floor. It's like a hoarder's been in there, right? Okay. This is an example of your mind and your mindset before you begin this work. So, absolutely it feels overwhelming when we start, right? When we first, because what it is like you're first realizing that there's an issue. You go, oh, there really is kind of a lot in here that I need to clean up. So then what happens as we go on this journey, and this is what I do with my private clients as well, week by week, I help you understand how to organize different parts of this room. So I'll show, I turn on the light and then I go, hey, look over there. There's all this stuff over there. And these things kind of go together. So here's what you can do with them. Why don't you do that for this week? And I'll come back with you next week and then we'll see what is the next thing that we could clean up. Okay? So by the end of, for us, it'll be 6 weeks. By the end of 6 weeks, we've gone through and we've piled up 6 sets of things, or, 1/6 of the program. We go through it, we pile it up, we clean it up, we fix it all. By the time we've done that, we are light years ahead of where we used to be. And now we know that we can kind of do it ourselves. Now we've learned enough to know that, oh, I know what she's going to say this time, or I know where to go with this, or whatever. And we start to get a little bit more faith and a little bit more understanding, and we are able to start seeing what needs to be done without being told, right? So I want you to look at my job here as just your guide. I'm just the person who's just flipping on the light switch and showing you what needs to be done, right? You are the one that actually is going to go through and start cleaning this stuff up, but it's not insurmountable, right? It's totally doable for all of us. And the beautiful part about it is that once we kind of figure out what to do with weight loss in our healthy eating journey, now we can apply the same exact methods, the same exact techniques to anything in our life that we want to clean up and fix and make better. Now, this is the best news because it means that we have the ability to improve literally anything that we want in our life. We can have any kind of goal, and what you can take with that model, right, is put any goal that you want in the results line and work backwards in order to figure out how to get there. This is such great news, and it is so fun. I want to tell you from the perspective of someone who's been doing this work for a long time on myself and with others, is that in the beginning, yeah, seems like there's a lot to do, but really what it is the start of everything. It is the start of the fun, right? It is the start of really living and really becoming our best selves, okay? So I didn't communicate that enough in this last workshop, and I should have done that. We just kind of like really ran out of time, but this is the message I want to leave you with about the model and how to use it and how you're going to be using it in the rest of this workshop and then further on in your life to get to any result and any goal that you really want. Being able to just clean up our minds and figure out what's going on and how can we improve things, right? So I hope this makes sense for you. Let me know if you guys have any extra questions or comments or anything like that. I just want to make sure I left you on kind of a high note, because this is actually, while there might be a lot of stuff to clean up, it is the start of everything, and you got to start somewhere, and it only gets better from here, okay? So thanks a lot, guys. I will see you in next week's workshop. Have a good night. Bye.